India is one of the most populated country in the world. India has the highest number of young generation citizens in the world. Even for a small job, lakhs and crores of people are applying. Heavy competition. Where are the jobs going to come from these people? To how many people government can support? How many private companies are there to support these people, young generation? What they should do? There is young generation with high energy levels, both male and female, highly educated. They are coming from rural and urban areas. Where are the jobs for these people? With internet age, people are able to see the whole world in a small smartphone. So they have their high expectations, high energy, but no resources. So what they have to do? How can they achieve their dreams? With the media influence and with the lack of jobs and high expectations, many people are frustrated, depressed, and they are succumbing to wrong methods of source of income, and even some are committing suicides, and some are addicted to drugs and PUBG games. Most of the most of the people have financial problem. Many have family problems, so though they would like to pursue some course or a field, they are not obliged to enter that field. Though they have many talents in different fields, due to lack of employment, they are unable to pursue their dreams and their passion. And for those who have achieved their jobs, how far they are satisfied, what are the basic needs they are able to cover, how much safety and security needs that jobs are providing, what is the belonging and relationship that's the building, the opportunity to build in the job, how much self-esteem needs are being covered, how much self-actualization needs are being covered. Even for small salary, people are working for 12 hours without any leaves, without any holidays, no personal time. How much job growth opportunity these jobs are providing, what is the passive income, what is the pension, how much traveling they are able to do, how much financial freedom are they having, how much how are able to how much a- how are they able to cover their financial and like health insurance covers, LIC covers. What the youth of India have to do, what are the opportunities available for them, how have to fulfill their dreams and fulfill their careers. With inflation going up and vegetables and everything going up, how are able to they cover their expenses, and what growth opportunities are these jobs providing for them, job security? Are they able to beat the inflation down the line 5 to 10 years? Are they able to retire early? I would invite all the youngsters to join me with Vestige Network Marketing, which can fulfill all these needs. This company has, as of now, operations in 9 countries, and it has more than 2 crore people over a period of 16 years. It is one highest successful company. Many people are scared of network marketing companies because of the past reputation, where so many companies have looted many people of crores of rupees. But this is not the case. People, because of lack of knowledge, they got cheated by different companies. But you can 100% trust this company because it has already crossed the 16 years. It's a stable company with stable management, stable business process, stable income. So it is one you can trust. Anyone who has crossed 18 years can join the company, and there are many things you will learn here which you are not taught in the college. There are many skills which will help you live your life happily and build your career in the long term. I have seen many network marketing companies in this field, in this industry, with different business plans, different products, and I have worked in few companies and I have seen some of the best people, some of the best companies. But for India, Vestige marketing is very highly successful and very applicable and suitable for our youngsters. Direct selling industry is the next generation, like software. It's going to have a rapid explosion. You should definitely give it a thought to try and join part time or full time and observe what are the opportunities, what is the gold mine available in this field. You will develop a lot of skills here in this field when you join this company and this field. You will develop your interpersonal skills, how to speak with people, how to communicate, how to be professional, what are the activities and actions you have to take for your goal setting. You will develop listening skills, you will develop your verbal and non-verbal skills, you will understand body language, you will understand marketing, negotiation, persuasion, goal setting, planning, so many things, but which you are very essential for you to become successful when you come out of college. You have no time limits, you have no place restrictions, you can work from anywhere in the all the 9 countries. You have no targets, but you should work by setting yourself a target to fulfill your dreams. So how you can achieve whatever you want in your life, you should work on those and try to make an action plan and work along with it. In direct selling industry, you will have the product directly from the company. There is no middleman, there is no advertising cost. Everything is given to us only, who are really the consumers and who want to build the business. You will have a lot of training and support. How you have to behave, how you have to get leads, product knowledge, training, leadership, management, how you should build your team, what are the things you will achieve, product knowledge, business knowledge. Vestige company has established a stable infrastructure and has stable management which you can solidly take support of it. If you want to go to moon, you have to take the help of rocket. You cannot go with a bullock cart. Bullock cart cannot be blamed. It is who you have to be blamed because you have chosen the wrong path to reach your goal. Vestige Marketing Limited has the potential to make you successful and help you achieve your dreams. It has the potential to support everyone in this India, in the youth. The youth can support and can build a great network and learn a lot and help the country also to improve. You can build your passive income source here. After a certain period, you will start getting passive income. You will have all the resources to build yourself, to learn and how to work and develop your business. There are many youngsters who have got successful in this industry and in this Vestige marketing. Join with me and let us build a great business and let us make ourselves successful and financially free and active income and passive income. Let us have time freedom and place freedom. No more worries about inflation or rise of petrol cost or rise of vegetables. If you understand the structure and products of the company, it is very easy for you to be successful. Vestige company has more than 350 products. You need to bargain, you need to persuade everyone for silly reasons to buy because there is a product for everyone. Vestige household segment covers soap, paste, bathroom cleaners, house cleaners, clothes cleaners, everything A to Z, cooking oil, everything they have covered in this segment. Vestige supplements cover range of products where BP, sugar, thyroid, cancer, heart problem, bones and joints problems, everything can be prevented and help people achieve their natural health and protect from them from the hospital costs which lead them into financial trouble. Lakhs of rupees can be saved and they can live longer happily with good health. Vestige also has Mr. of Milan and SF9 products which take care of your beauty and deep rooted skin problems. These products have the formula from Italy and are manufactured here. They are not tested on animals, they are paraben free, they are used of made of natural colors, fruit vegetable colors, halal certified. Vestige company, all products are made with high quality. All the quality standards, certificates are there for the company. If you properly understand Vestige products business plan, you will get the products even at a lower cost than the market price. Vestige Agri products are wonderful products which are giving high quality results and farmers are earning a lot by reduced cost on their fertilizers and high quality yield per acre of the farming. As you grow in the Vestige business, you will earn a car, you will earn a travel foreign trip. Already company has taken Vestige members to 30 countries and you can lifelong you will get a car fund where you can buy a car, any number of cars of your own. Vestige also has house fund where you can buy your house. There are people earning from 100 rupees to 1 crore already and down the line within 5 years. Many people are aspiring to earn 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1 crore per month. That is the potential of Vestige Marketing Limited. Anyone who are already working can also avail this opportunity part time, and if you have time you can do it as a full time also. Even Vestige Best Deals is bringing all the regular household groceries also under into business where your business will expand exponentially. This is a great opportunity for everyone, for any age group, anywhere who are living in rural and urban areas, for educated and uneducated, many people physically handicapped. There are many successful stories, testimonials. You can work at your own pace, you can learn a lot. I have attended many seminars and I can support you, I can help you learn very fast and become successful very fast if you join with me in the Vestige company. I told you in very brief manner here because I want to keep it short. If you want to discuss with us, if you are interested, call me at 9059080747. 9059080747. Let us create great opportunities in India. Let us create great employment opportunities for everyone. Everyone should fulfill their dreams and become successful and be happy. If you want any details about the products or plan how successful you can become, how different ways you can achieve your freedom of active income and passive income, if you really want to achieve and become highly successful, contact me. Let us discuss and build together as a team and see bright future.